In this video, I will compare the industry-standard carbon monoxide alarms against the high-performance Haven by Steadfast to see which truly protects your family. The primary contrast here is between reactive beeping boxes and proactive digital monitoring. Traditional detectors often give a false sense of security. Clicking the test button only confirms the battery works, not the actual sensor. Since these sensors degrade significantly after 5 to 7 years, you could be living with an expired unit without knowing it. The Haven provides a standout trade-off by offering a live digital readout of CO and gas levels starting at 0. While standard hardware store detectors won't trigger until levels hit 70 parts per million, Haven allows you to monitor low-level chronic exposure between 10 and 50 parts per million. This is a critical feature for modern, tightly sealed, energy-efficient homes where gas ranges or water heaters can create stagnant pockets of poor air quality. The Haven wins for the safety-conscious homeowner because it plugs into a visible wall outlet, turning your air quality into a data-driven reality rather than a hidden mystery. It addresses the silent trap of cumulative exposure that causes brain fog and fatigue, which standard alarms simply ignore until it's a life-threatening crisis. If you can't remember the month you installed your current unit, it is likely time for an upgrade to real-time monitoring. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you prefer a digital readout or a traditional alarm. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential home safety reviews.